Simi. Hey, did you wish Neha? It's her birthday today.
Your nephew and his wife have made my life very miserable, but still you are asking me this, that if I have wished that Neha on her birthday,
But
aren't you ashamed to ask me that?
but what has happened? She won't tell Yash.
They don't even care about it.
But
She won't tell Yash, she says. That Neha has insulted me so much. Because of that, even the petty servants of this house have found out that Simi doesn't have even a little respect in this house.
Simi, you are having a misunderstanding. Look, no one will tell anyone anything.
Enough is enough. Enough! Till the time I don't humiliate that Neha, till then I cannot keep quiet. That Neha and her sister. Yes, her sister. Because of her, this happened. If I don't make her rub her nose on the road, then I will remove the Chaudhary surname.
Simi, listen to me, please. Look, today is a very good day. Please, don't say anything today at least. Hey, if needed, then I will apologize to you on behalf of that sister. I will rub my nose on the floor.
Good.
I will sit down.
Wonderful. Will you do that? That's wonderful. Fine, then do one thing. Go to a terrace and give your life by jumping from there.
Huh? Hey,
Yes, because Neha will have to do that. Can you do that? Are you going to do it? No? Then don't do this nonsense in front of me, I'm telling you.
Simi, hey, I said it so that there is no scene in the house. Hey, Yash has invited everyone.
Exactly. Then this should happen today. That Neha should get humiliated on her birthday.
Simi, what are you even saying?
Do you remember about the domestic violence case?
Yes.
Are you sure? I will send you to prison.
Hello, boss uncle, where are you? Come fast near my school. Not that, the beside one. No, not that one. The one below that. The red colored one. That purple one. The purple one. Wait, I will only come.
परी परी fine? Did you get hurt? Why was Pari crossing the road alone? Why did you leave her in the car alone? Don't you understand? It's your responsibility, right?
Sorry,
What
sir.
sorry, sir? Are you foolish?
Boss uncle, I was only insistent. Otherwise, he was not ready to go. I only told him to go. Sorry, driver uncle. Sorry, boss uncle.
Pari, don't do this. Why did you go alone? Never go out without anyone accompanying you. Huh? Whenever you go out, just hold someone's hand, okay? Take care henceforth, okay?
But boss uncle, you please don't tell mom. Otherwise, she will get very angry on me. I wanted to get a gift for mom, so I did all this. You won't tell mom. I give you Aunt Shefali's oath.
Okay, all right. What is this, Pari? You are being mischievous after doing all this? Henceforth, don't do this, okay? Come on.
Driver uncle, are you very hurt?
No, dear. I am not hurt. I will get this gift changed, okay?
No, this is fine.
Is it?
Yes.
Surely?
Surely.
Then shall we go home?
Yes.
Sir, you are also coming, right?
Yes, I'm coming.
Come on then.
Today, Pari was saved due to Avinash. And I blamed him.
Shall I tell Yash that instead of going out, let's spend time with everyone at home? That we should celebrate my birthday at home?
Okay, thanks. Shall we go? Come on. Hey! Such a big cake. Who brought this?
If you are looking so surprised, then you would have only arranged all this.
No, I really don't know anything about all this. Who brought such a big cake here?
I kept that cake.
Hey!
Happy birthday, mom.
Hey, dear. Thank you, dear.
Welcome.
Did you bring such a big cake?
Yes.
Yes, I'm a strong girl.
Is it? Thank you.
Today, our whole family will celebrate my dear daughter-in-law's birthday. And this idea is not mine, okay?
I'm your husband, Neha. Won't I know what you want?
Tons of birthday wishes to you.
Grandpa, bless me.
Bless you.
Happy birthday, Neha.
Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday, Neha.
Thank you, Shefali.
Hey, Neha. Very warm wishes on your birthday from my end.
Thank you, sister.
Let's venerate first.
Mom,
Stop. Put the projector screen. I want to show a theft video from our office to everyone here. It's a birthday party. Let's have some fun. This stupid woman can do anything. I will get humiliated in front of everyone. Before that, I need to steal her phone.
Is it done? Come on, let's cut the cake, okay?
Hey, come on, go on, go on.
Hey, me too, me too.
Yes, come on. All of us together.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Neha. Happy birthday to you.
Oh!
You take first.
What is this?
You brought it perfectly. Eat. Eat. Bring it. Wait, I'll click your photo. Wait. Let's take a photo. Fantastic. Smile, please.
Yesterday, I was humiliated like this. And today, my son got humiliated. I won't let this happen.
Eat a very big bite. Not like that, but like this.
Pikachu, what are you doing? Look at your face. Look at your hand. See yourself. Shabby. Dirty boy. Go. Wash your face and hand first.
Shucks. Listen, Shatru. Give this to everyone. Come on, sit.
Excuse me. I'll just take
Yes,
this
sit
one.
down. Grandpa, sit down.
Mom, I want to give something to you. Please come on, come.
Listen to me. What if we tell everything to everyone? Let's make it permanent today. Sir, why are you doing this? Please! Grandpa is also here. Everyone is here, sir. Please. Hey, wait. What happened?
Mom, happy birthday.
For me?
Yes,
Who brought this, dear?
me and driver uncle brought this together.
You brought this?
Yes,
My dear, thank you so much, dear.
welcome.
Listen, call him here. My dear baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Mister, thank you that you gave me the gift, but this was really not needed.
But, ma'am, I didn't bring this gift.
Mom, this is not my driver uncle.
Is it? I'm sorry. You go and eat.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, you are impossible.
I thought he is your driver uncle.
My driver uncle is very nice.
But where is he?
He didn't come for the birthday.
Why, dear?
Neha, you have
Brother
to do something
Pikachu,
for me.
Brother Pikachu.
Go on, go. Can you do something for me, please?
Yes, what is it?
Make that Shefali understand.
And what did she do?
She's always chasing me here and there. Yes, after seeing her energy today, I feel that she will get married to me today itself. Look, she's here. I'm going.
Sameer sir, where did he go like that?
What happened, Shefali?
Look, Neha, you shouldn't take Sameer sir's side anymore.
Hey, I was just asking what has happened. You both deal with your own issue.
Hey! Sameer sir!
Your mom scolded you, right?
Yes, she did.
You're looking so sad. But what to do? Your mother feels that you should look nice, you should stay well, you behave nicely. That's why mom scolds you. Listen to me. Shall you do one thing? We will click your pictures. And then we will show those pictures to your mom. then she will feel very good. She will praise you. Will do. It will, right? Yes. Then do one thing. You just go and get your mother's mobile fast. Click pictures with your mobile. Where do I have the mobile now? I forgot it downstairs. Look, your photos won't come great in my mobile. Your mom's mobile is amazing. You will look very good if you click photo in that, and she will be happy on seeing your various pictures. Yes, it will do. Will it do? But listen. But don't disturb her and get the mobile from her hand, okay? What? I mean, go and see what she is doing very silently. Bring the mobile without telling her, because we have to give her a surprise. Yes. Yes. So for that, go quickly and get the mobile from her. Don't tell her. Yes, yes. It will do. Will do.
Come fast.
Why did you bring me here?
I want to speak a little with you.
Tell me, daughter-in-law.
Daughter-in-law?
A daughter-in-law only brings people into the kitchen to talk secretly, right?
I didn't call you here to chit-chat. The matter is serious.
What happened?
Sometime back, I mean, it happened a little while back, but Pari would have met with an accident.
What?
Yes, all of this happened when she was coming in the car.
How? What happened? Tell me clearly, please.
No. What happened was that Avinash got out from the car, and that's when all of this happened. Pari!
How did he leave her alone in the car? Doesn't he know? Bring him here now. I want to speak with him.
But he didn't make any mistake. Pari only told him that she wants to buy a gift for her mother.
Sameer, Pari will tell him many things. She's very small. Shouldn't he know, as he lost it, about what to do and what not to do? Idiot. Tell him that if Pari tells him henceforth to do anything as such, then he first should tell me, Neha, or you, and then get out of the car.
I will tell him. And he has also made a mistake, but I didn't tell anything outside on purpose, as there would have been a scene in front of Neha.
Is he fine?
He's fine, but still...
What happened? Why are you both here?
Actually, this daughter-in-law brought me here.
Daughter-in-law?
Yes, actually, Uncle Bandhu's not well, right? Sameer was just saying that. That's why he couldn't come.
Yes, but then why did Ann not tell me? Why did she not call me?
She was going to call you, but due to food poisoning, Uncle was frequently visiting bathroom, so she didn't get time.
I will call her.
Yes, speak to him. He'll feel a little better. Shall we go out, daughter-in-law?
Yes, they are calling you.
Come, let's go out.
Oh my, save me almighty. Shucks, I'm getting burps frequently. Hey,
Hello, uncle?
Neha. Hey, tell me, how are you? How was the function?
It was nice, uncle, but how are you doing?
I am very good. I mean, it's fine. But the thing is that I am getting burps frequently.
What did you eat, uncle?
Forget that. Today, Yash has planned so many things for you, so you enjoy. We will speak later over this.
Yes, uncle, but you take care.
Yes.
Listen, drink this
yes.
cumin seed water, then you will feel better.
Okay. I'm really feeling better.
You did, right? Then sit down for some time now, or else your leg will also start paining.
Fine. I really commend Yash a lot. He's such a big businessman. But he cares so much for Neha. He could have gone and lived anywhere if he wanted, but he is not ready to leave Neha. I am really amazed at him. And he likes Neha so much. He knows very well what Neha likes. He has also kept a special driver for Pari. A husband should be like that. Husband? I have seen you somewhere. Avinash. Pari's driver is Avinash. He is Neha's first husband. I am sure it's him.